We have algebraic fraction and we have to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. First, let's see what we have here in numerator. We have addition and we have subtraction and addition in denominator. When we have addition or subtraction, we cannot do anything. We cannot reduce any expressions. So first, we have to change this expression to multiplication. So let's organize first our expression in numerator. The highest power is t to second power, so we will copy 6t to second power. Next expression with t is 19t, and we have plus 10, and the denominator, the highest power is 6t squared. Next we have negative 5t and minus 6. So next we have general quadratic trinomial, and we see that the coefficient before t is different than 1. A is different than 1. The general form of quadratic trinomial is ax squared plus bx plus c. So a is the coefficient before t squared is different than 1. So when coefficient before t squared is different than 1, first we have to multiply 6 times 10. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. So we need to find two numbers whose product is 16 and sum is positive 19. So it will be 4 times 15 is 60, and 4 plus 15 give me 19. So coefficient before t is 19, so everything is okay. So now let me copy our numerator. We have 6t squared plus 19t plus 10, and first we have to copy the t squared, 6t squared, and now 19t we can rewrite that this is 4t, because we have first number is 4, and we have plus 15t. 4t plus 15t is 19t, still the same expression, plus 10 we have. And now from these two first expressions we can factorize the greatest common factor for 6 and 4 is 2. And we have t squared and t, so the lowest power is t. So we have to take t, because t is to first power, so it's lower than second power. And in parentheses, what will be? I have to multiply 2t by 3t to get 6t squared. And next, I have 2t. I have to multiply 2t by 2 to get 4t. 2t times 2 is 40, plus, because we have positive signs, and now we have 15t and 10, so the greatest common factor for 15 and 10 is 5. I have to multiply 5 by 3t to get 15, and we have plus, we have 10, so I have to multiply 5 by 2 to get 10. So this is equal. Now we see that in parentheses we have exactly the same expression. So we can factorize 3t plus 2, and whatever left, it will be in the second parenthesis. 2t plus 5, we have plus 5. So now we can write our numerator. This was our numerator. We have 3t plus 2 times 2t plus 5. If you multiply every expression in first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis and you combine the like terms, you will get exactly the same what we have at the beginning. Now the same we have to do with the denominator. Again, coefficient before t square is different than 1. So first we have to multiply 6 times the coefficient without t. So 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. So now we have to find two numbers whose product give me negative 36 and whose sum give me negative 5. We always check the coefficient before t. So it will be 4 and negative 9. 4 times negative 9 give me negative 36, and 4 plus negative 9 is negative 5. So now we can copy our denominator. We have 6t squared minus 5t minus 6, and next step we have to copy expression with t squared, 6t squared, and now negative 5t, we can rewrite that this is, first number was 4, so it will be plus 4t minus 9t, and we have minus 6. 4t minus 9t is negative 5t, is the same what we have at the beginning. It didn't change anything. So this is equal. Now we can factorize from the first two expressions. The greatest common factor for 6 and 4 is 2, and we have t squared and t, so we have to choose the lowest power, so t. By what we have to multiply 2t to get 6t squared? By 3t. 2t times 3t, it will be 6t squared, exactly the same what we have at the beginning. And next we have plus, we have 2t before parentheses, so we have here 4t. By what I have to multiply 2t to get 4t? By 2. 2 by times 2t, it will be 4t. So next we have negative and negative, so we copy negative sign, and the greatest common factor for 9 and 6 is 3. And in parentheses, what will be? I have to multiply 3 by 3t to get 9t. And we have 6, so I have to multiply 3 by 2. I will have 6. Now we have the same expression in parentheses, so we can factorize 3t plus 2, and in the second parenthesis we will have whatever left. So we have 2t, and we have to copy next 9 minus 3. So now we can rewrite our denominator to 3t plus 2 times 2t minus 3. If you multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis and you combine the like terms, you will have exactly the same what we have at the beginning. So now we have multiplication between these two parentheses, so we can reduce. So we have 3t plus 2 and 3t plus 2. So this is 1 and 1. So now 1 times 2t plus 5 is 2t plus 5, and 1 times 2t minus 3 is 2t minus 3. This is my solution.